Well, I have my friend Liz Sippy joining me this morning, and let me tell you, we are about to fill you in on one of the greatest skincare secrets. Well, she's going to do. We're here at their Mayfield location, and I'm so glad to be in this chair with you right now.
Yeah, thank you for coming.
I will say, when I run into women and I look at their skin, I say, what do you do that makes your skin look so beautiful as you age? Microneedling. Every single time. And that's something you do very frequently here for clients, right?
So that's a treatment I do daily here. The real medical term for this is collagen induction therapy. We create a little bit of micro trauma to the skin. That little bit of trauma induces a collagen and elastin response. Keeping in mind, we start to lose collagen after the age of 25. So a lot of patients can benefit from this.
I know that it's good for just overall complexion. What all does it help with?
Right, absolutely. So fine lines, texture, any kind of textural issue. So acne scarring, that could include. We treat face, neck, other areas of the body where there's scarring as well.
Microneedling, they hear that word and they think this has got to be absolutely painful. Right. But what's the process like?
Yes, so we use a topical numbing gel. I let that sit for a good 15-20 minutes. Clean your skin off really well, also with alcohol, to make sure there's no surface bacteria. But the treatment itself, it's comfortable. You'll see here in a few minutes, but very comfortable.
Why do you think it's important for people to do something like this, and how often should they do it?
Right, so depending on the skin condition that we're treating, I'll see patients up to every 4 weeks for a treatment like this, typically completed over a series of 3 to 4 treatments. And then I see patients, maybe quarterly for a maintenance treatment.
And what's happening then? So we have your little device over there.
Yes.
There's a bunch of little needles in it, correct?
Right, so there's 24 needles here, and those needles are just creating that little bit of micro trauma to the skin. So you'll see a little bit of pinpoint bleeding all over. You don't see that at all. I clean up as I go. And then I'll actually put some growth factor or stem cells on the skin topically to just further help with that healing process. So minimal downtime with a treatment like this.
All right, well, I know that it's important to do this. I'm anxious to do this, so let's get started with the numbing cream first.
Absolutely.
Okay, let's do it. All right, so I'm about 10 minutes in or so I figured I might as well ask her a couple more quick questions. So I do have to work tomorrow, so downtime-wise, what am I looking at?
Yes, so the redness typically starts to subside after 24 hours. It can last up to 72 hours for some patients. But starting tomorrow, you can wear makeup. Makeup should cover any of this residual redness.
I feel like now is really a good time here at Apex to come and get this done.
Yes, so we do have some specials going on with our microneedling. So if you pay for 3 treatments up front, your 4th one is included, as well as exosomes with each treatment. Exosomes.
Well, I was just going to say,
yes,
what are
I knew
exosomes?
It was coming. So exosomes are going to help with the healing process. They help calm down that redness a little bit faster, help with the collagen production as well. I'm going to start leaning you back. You ready?
Okay. All right, numbing's done. Time to go.
That looks perfect. I'll be turned a little bit to the right.
Okay.
Perfect. All right, forehead and cheeks are done.
Yay!
Not too bad there.
No, every once in a while there's a spot where I'm like, oh, that one pinches a little bit, but like,
tolerable.
It's absolutely tolerable.
Perfect.
Oh my gosh, that's not bad at all.
No. Looks
honestly
a little red, a little bit like similar to a sunburn.
Having done this now with you, I am any worry or nervousness I had about trying microneedling, it gone. This is amazing.
I'm so happy to hear that.
And I know people do it for different reasons. For me, I'm really starting to feel like age is happening. I want to age gracefully, and I want to do things without being invasive that help the skin.
Absolutely.
So you can do it for something minimal, or you can do it for something that's more serious, like acne scarring.
Absolutely. So whether it's fine lines, decreasing pore size, the appearance of pores, just fine lines, wrinkles, overall texture. So for some patients that's scarring, for other patients that's just helping with the aging process.
That was honestly very smooth. Thank you. You're amazing, Liz. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. I'm happy you came
Come
in.
visit her here at the Apex location in Mayfield Heights. It's going to be well worth it for you.
Thank you.